We'll guide you through how to make text blur in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many editors want quick steps to get smooth blur on moving text in Adobe After Effects without getting lost in the tools. To make text blur in Adobe After Effects, start by opening your Windows search and typing After Effects. Then click to open the program once it appears. When the application is ready, create a new composition by clicking the option labeled New Composition so you have a workspace to begin. After that, go down to the timeline panel, right-click inside it, choose New, and then select Text to create a new text layer. Type in any text you want to use for this effect. Then click on the text layer so it is selected and ready for editing. Next, press S on your keyboard to open the Scale property. Then press Ctrl+P to open the Position property, and press Ctrl+R to open the Rotation property. These three options control how your text moves and transforms over time, and you can choose any of them to build your transition. For this example, choose Position so the text moves across the screen. Turn on the keyframe option for position by clicking the stopwatch icon. Then set the first keyframe wherever you want the animation to begin. Move a few seconds forward on the timeline, and then change the position value to create a second keyframe at a different location. After that, select both keyframes by dragging over them. Right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and select Easy Ease to smooth the animation. Now open the graph editor so you can adjust how the motion flows between keyframes. Right-click inside the graph editor and select Speed Graph. Then press Fill All Graph to view so the curve is clearly visible. Adjust the graph handles based on how fast or slow you want the movement to feel, shaping the curve until it matches your preference. Once you are satisfied, go back to the normal timeline view. Finally, enable motion blur by turning on the blur switch in the timeline and also activating the blur option for the text layer itself. This will add a natural blur effect to the moving text, making the animation look smoother and more realistic.